Hi everyone, welcome to the world of diamond tools with Bulunmaz. In this video, I will introduce you our Emery background tools. We have more than 300 diamond tools and background tools are an important part of them. And we have 4 different categories for these background tools. First is diamond plated background. Second is Emery background, which I will introduce you now. Third category is PCD Rainbow tools and the last category is Carbide tools. I will introduce you 2 of my Emery background tools. One is used on side and one is used on the top. You can see the surface of my Emery tool covered with diamond powder. These small real diamond pieces covered in a special plating way, so they are really strong. Using Emery tools, one very important thing you must never forget is we are using our tools always in low speed. Because of the head of my tool is really big, using my tool in a high speed, I will damage my micromotor immediately. 7000 RPM will be enough for this tool. I'm starting my micromotor at 7000 RPM and I will practice it on a bangle. It's really easy to use our Emery background tools. You must just move your tool up and down. There is no possibility to damage your product or your finger. That's why you don't have to worry about anything. If you are just starting using diamond tools, I would highly recommend you to use Emery background tool for starters. If you watched our video about diamond plated background tools, you can notice that we have less shine on Emery background. And that means you have a more dull background, which is good for combination with diamond tools. The model is done in a few seconds because the surface of my tool is really big and with a few movements it covers all around my bangle. I was telling about combining my Emery background tool with diamond tools. Let me show you a quick model just to get the idea better. I'm using 140 degree 1mm tool to make some cuts on my bangle with background design. You know, my tool didn't give much shine, so it's a really good idea to combine it with a shiny background tool. See, there's a dull background and my shine comes over it. You can make long cuts, you can make smaller cuts, you can make a crystal cut. Let me show you all of them. I'm using a bangle, that's why I have a really big space, but you can also use this tool on small spaces such as rings, pendants. Let's make a border cut with crystal shape. You will be combining background tools very often with diamond tools because the dull look, non-shiny look of our background tool fits really well with diamond tools. They are good, they seem good, almost all kind of jewelry. I'm using Bulunmaz micromotor. That's one of our bestseller product. It's made in South Korea with our partner, and we are making this tool more than 10 years. That's why it's a really experienced product. I'm using right now the highest speed of 50,000 RPM. But don't forget, background tools you have to use always a low RPM speed. See the dull finishing on my bangle and combination of diamond tools just beside. And you can get the rough idea how it looks as a finished product. I want to test my Emery background tool on a smaller jewelry piece. I will use it on a ring. Again, I will start with 7000 RPM. Don't forget, that's a big tool. You can easily damage your micromotor. If you open even once 50,000 RPM, it will start crying and damaging your micromotor. That's really important. And I will make finishing for the sides of my ring. My surface on the ring is pretty small, so it will finish very quick. All you need to do is cut from up to down with our background tool. and the look of your ring will be changed immediately. Here we go. You can go with the sides also. Almost completed. I will finish it like this. I will not combine side of my ring with diamond tools. So I can show you the final product. There is a flower design on my ring which I made before, and sides I covered with Emery background tool, which gives a really different look than before. My second Emery tool is again covered with small diamonds. You can see the top of my Emery wheel background tool, very similar to Emery cylinder background tool, the first one we tried. But the way we use it and the way it's done gives a totally different effect. We can increase the speed a little bit for this tool. You don't have to go with 7000, but we can go with 15,000 RPM. That's better for this tool. Whenever you buy a bulunmaz micromotor, you will get this speed chart inside your micromotor. You can see all the recommended speed range for different tools, but of course you can lower it a little bit, increase it a little bit, and get different design. You can have your own trials. I was using the Emery cylinder tool in a horizontal way, but that one I will use a vertical way because of the shape of my tool. And cover again my bangle. It will be much faster because the surface is much bigger on this tool. I'm getting a much more smoother design on this tool. Again, I don't have much shine. That means I can combine diamond tools on this tool easily. Because of your movements, there will be borders here, you can see. With additional touches, you can decrease these borders. Of course, that's all about your hand skill. The more you are skilled, the more you are experienced, you will have better finishing with Emery wheel tool. I'm using 15,000 RPM. You can go up to 20,000 with this tool. You can lower to 12,000. That's also pretty fine. Just play with your speed so you can get different finishing ideas. Let's try to clean the connection parts, so your bangle, your product will be looking more original. You can also make cuts in different ways. All will affect, you can make round. All will affect the look of your jewelry. All will affect the way your jewelry looks. This tool is especially convenient for the big surfaces. That's why I will not go with a ring, chain, different products. You can still use with this kind of products, but this tool gives you the best performance on bangles, big pendants, big surfaces, big areas. There is not much shine on this background finishing, so you can easily combine it with your diamond tools. It gives you a nice contrast when you work with diamond tools over your background finishing. Let's have a bonus video. End of this video I will work with diamond tools combining this background tool, so you can get a better idea how the combination of Emery wheel background and our diamond tools will look like. I hope you are enjoying our videos on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel because we are shooting and posting new jewelry technologies videos every Friday. I'm sure something will be interesting for your jewelry production, one of these videos. If you have any questions about any jewelry technologies, about our products, you can also write in the comments, ask your questions, and we will shoot more videos about your questions. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you again in the next videos, and don't forget the bonus video combining diamond tools on this background tool. End of this video. See you again.